At a store, 6 bags of peanuts were sold for $30. Determine if each statement has the same unit rate as the original statement or a different unit rate. Mark the bubble for each statement to indicate same or different unit rate. So what is a unit rate? A unit rate is a ratio. So in this problem, our ratio is going to be involving 6 bags and $30. So let's go ahead and write that out. We're going to have $30 and we have 6 bags. So when we write the equivalent of this for one bag is going to be $5. That's the unit rate. So this right here is the unit rate. Unit means 1. So we want 1 bag for $5. So now we're going to go ahead and do A. A reads cups of fruit sold at $10 for 2. So we have $10 for 2, but we want a unit rate. That means we want a 1 on the bottom. And when we do this math, we know that unit rate is 5. So this one's going to be the same. Going on to B, sandwiches were sold at $40 for 5. So $40 for 5, here we go over here, we have $40. And for 5, so 5 sandwiches, if we want the unit rate, that means that we just want 1. And so 5 goes into 40 8 times, so that number is 8. So this is different than 5, so we're going to mark different. For C, C reads, ham sold for $40 for 8. So $40 for 8. So we're going to put $40, and we had 8 sandwiches, but again, we want the unit rate. That means we just want 1. 8 goes into $40 5 times, so that is the same. These are the same, and this is the same, so we're going to mark same. D reads, a jar of jam sold for $28 for 4. So here's our work for that jar of jam. So we have $28 for 4, but again, we want a unit rate, and a unit rate means 1, so this is going to be 1. And so we're going to put a 7 right there, and that 7 is different. All right, this is Yo-Yo Juice Sticks showing you one way to solve this problem. You may have another way as long as you understand it and can articulate it to a neighbor or a friend, and they understand it and the answer is right, then you have a very good way to solve this problem.